Now talk about Hund's law. So what is the Hund's law? When electrons occupy orbital of the same energy on one electron each orbital until all are half filled with parallel spins before pairing begins. So what does this mean? When we know electrons are repel each other, electron repel each other. So here it happened, one electron gonna go up and another gonna go down. Here 3 go up. In case of 2p, it 3 gonna go up and 3 gonna go down. So how it happened? We know electron, those sp-df orbital have some sub level. We learned it in our previous some classes. So what p have? We learned that p have px, py, pz. So that 3 have gonna box, so px all gonna have the same spin at the first case. So p have 6 numbers. So first all the 3 gonna have upside situation, then all other 3 gonna have downside situation here in case of p, and all s, p, d, f all have the some sub levels where those electron configuration have the up and down situation, and those configuration happen because of why electron repel each other, that we learn here. So then by spreading out in different orbital, they can stay further apart but in a conjunction situation, and where those electron stay, we know in that situation we're gonna have some electron cloud situation. So because electron gather here and cause the clouds in this orbital, we gonna learn about it later. So this reduces the repulsion and makes them stronger, and 2p orbital levels, sublevels px, py, pz, and s have box 1 and p have 6 box, so sorry 3 box, and d have 5 box, and all have the same situation, up and down situation. Those determine correct configuration here in case of Hund's law, and that's for Hund's law. Thank you everyone.